Supporting your music economy is easier than you think. Sound Diplomacy's step-by-step guide will help you understand what it takes. Step 1. Recognize your economy. Take a music or arts venue and count the number of jobs and skills involved. There are many more jobs involved with the music economy than it might appear at first. It takes a wide variety of skills to create a thriving music ecosystem to support musicians. Then look at all the jobs and issues related to a venue, from transport links and parking costs, to tax and business rates, to government attitudes, public utilities, and the role of music in education. And this is just one part of a music ecosystem. Let's look at all the others. Step 2. Recognize your ecology. Find out what you have and map it. Music is linked to everything. Just think about it. Step 3. Measure, evaluate, assess. How is this done? Grassroots at first, but everything is important. Everything has value. So count it. How much could it be worth? Step 4. Celebrate what you have. Once you know what you have, show off through showcases, festivals, food and drink, one-off performances, heritage, tourism, networking opportunities, and more. You'll make more friends, support culture, and increase revenues. Step 5. Remember, music must support everyone, across all genres. You have amazing musicians. It's all about them. If they're not happy, start over. Step 6. Review, repeat, assess. And to learn more, talk to us. Sound Diplomacy. Get more out of music.